Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. We talk about browsers. We often talk about performance of the different browsers and the tests. Microsoft brags that its Edge browser is the best for battery life and performance and speed. And of course, Google Chrome says the same thing. And everybody just says, yeah, my browser is faster than yours. So there's an interesting article, and I'll share the link down in the description, where there were a few browsers tested with battery life and with performance, and it's very interesting because Edge doesn't fare that well, honestly, especially for a browser that actually brags itself on being the best for battery life. Pretty much all of the battery life, the best browser was they tested actually Firefox, Edge, Chrome, and Vivaldi. And basically Vivaldi in every respect was the best pretty much in internet browsing speed and in battery life. In battery life, Edge and Firefox came in last. Google Chrome fared quite well in general. And this is interesting because, we often talk about how Chrome takes a lot of resources, and people look at their task manager and they're like, are you kidding me? Why is Chrome using so much power or battery, or why is it? And you end up, of course, asking yourself the same question. But often when I look at the other browser, I was looking the other day at Edge. Edge was not particularly much better, and they are using the underlying Chromium engine, but still there's enough differences on their interface and the way that they are designed that we should see a difference. Google Chrome, has improved over time in its usage of memory and all, but still, there's a lot of usage depending on how many tabs you have open and what you do and the extensions that you have within the browser. But check out the article. I'm going to actually share that NEOWIN article in the description below. I didn't want to show the tables of the article because they probably are copyrighted by them. So I'd rather that you go check out the article and see the speed tables for yourself. But Edge doesn't fare that well, actually, when you look at the different tests they did. It was very limited tests also, but still, kind of interesting to see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.